The 1994 Northridge earthquake shook Southern California and the structural engineering world. Dozens of lives lost, thousands of people injured, and billions of dollars in property damage.
We can't allow this to happen again.
Steel-framed buildings, thought to be among the safest, revealed unexpected vulnerabilities. The city of Los Angeles suspended permitting any steel-frame structures until a solution was found. Engineer David Houghton knew there had to be a better, safer way to build.
Is there a way to have a moment connection system that's not the way we currently do things for the last 25 to 30 years, that doesn't have any of the issues that we discussed as being contributory, possibly, to what happened in the Northridge earthquake? What happened was truly an amazing moment. I always keep a pad of paper with me next to me on the seat of the car, and I started sketching as I was driving what would become known as SidePlate technology. It was exhilarating. It was a spiritual experience all by itself.
Houghton designed a new kind of moment connection, one that would absorb seismic energy, streamline construction, and protect lives. Through rigorous R&D and full-scale seismic testing, the SidePlate Connection Design emerged. But Houghton's team still had to convince the network of industry partners to embark on a journey of trust and take a chance on a new way of building.
See, this was never about making money. This is about satisfying a passion to make our world safer and more productive.
These were more than buildings. SidePlate and its partners were forging a new standard in safety.
In the beginning, I was very worried, being the quality control manager at the time. But after digging into it, learning the tolerances and the aspects of it, it seemed a little easier. It ended up being faster than we imagined, and it ended up being a very profitable project.
They've contributed greatly to the success of some very successful projects that we've had. I think they're a good team member to have, and they work as part of a team. They work with the design consultants, they work with the contractors, and their interest seems to be in having a good project, a successful project for everyone.
In 2009, SidePlate became part of MiTek, a company committed to transforming communities through more efficient and sustainable building by advancing the adoption of off-site construction.
Likewise, SidePlate found the founders of MiTek to be incredible leaders, uniformly of the highest integrity, passionate about what they do, the people they serve, the building industry they're in, and honorable in every which way possible, doing the right things for the right reasons.
Backed by the power of MiTek, SidePlate's reach, research, and impact is amplified, paving the way for innovation and advancement. In 2013, SidePlate introduced a field-bolted connection for wind and low seismic designs, speeding up construction, eliminating the cost of field welding, and introducing the benefits of high-performance steel connections to everyday building designs. SidePlate all-bolted entered the marketplace in 2020, further adapting the design and allowing fabricators that prefer to bolt in the shop a way to easily build SidePlate connections. Engineers, fabricators, and directors have been instrumental in helping to guide the evolution of SidePlate, establishing SidePlate as a leader in moment frame design.
Some of the things I think that the SidePlate brings to the industry is innovation and integration, cooperation, which is not something we've had for a long time. As you know, there's always been this adversarial nature between the fabrication and the design communities. And that's not something that SidePlate brought into the industry at all. They brought cooperation back. And of course, anytime you have a cooperative environment, you have a more efficient and a more profitable environment.
SidePlate continues to improve design, develop technology to decrease construction time, lower costs, and educate construction professionals committed to delivering superior project results for generations to come. Connect with MiTek to make your mark on the future of building.